Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about Saturn plus Moon conjunction in the 7th house. What exactly is 7th house? 7th house represents marriages, 7th house represents partnerships, 7th house represents foreign countries, the money from the foreign countries. 7th house represents loads, roads. 7th house represents lower abdomen. 7th house represents losing one's way. 7th house represents residence in foreign countries, money from foreign countries. 7th house represents diplomacy. 7th house represents talent and energies. So this is what 7th house deals with. Alright, and what happens with the effects of Saturn and Moon conjunction in the 7th house? Saturn is the Karaka for career. Saturn is the Karaka for professional pursuits. Saturn is the Karaka for hard work, for effort. Saturn is the Karaka for delays and denials. Alright, and similar way, Moon is the Karaka for mindset. Moon is the Karaka for mother. Moon is the Karaka for blames, misunderstandings, conflicts, quarrels, challenges, obstacles. And Moon is the Karaka for restaurants. Moon is the Karaka for hotel industry and hospitality industry. For all this, Moon is the Karaka. And most importantly, Moon represents mindset. Moon represents your thoughts, feelings and emotions. Alright. So when these two planets happen to be in the 7th house, 7th house talks about relationships, 7th house talks about marriage, 7th house talks about your spouse. Okay, your spouse will be very confused in nature. This person is very emotionally down with regards to a lot of problems. Of course, 7th house talks about family, so she'll create a lot of conflict kind of environment, and also she will not be having good relationship with the spouse. But provided if at all Jupiter and Venus is watching, the negativity will be reduced a lot. But with regards to the relationships, these people will be facing a lot of challenges with regards to maintaining the cordial relationship with the spouse. And also 7th house happen to be a Moon, which creates some kind of emotional stress altogether. And at the same time, Saturn also joining along with Moon, this will amplify the effect of planet, the energy of Moon in the 7th house. Okay, so if Jupiter is watching this combination, luckily, okay, Jupiter is watching from the 1579 aspect of this combination, the negativity will be totally reduced, and the positivity of the Jupiter, because Jupiter happened to be a most auspicious planet, most benefic planet of all the 9 planets. And if Jupiter is watching this combination, the negativity will be cancelled or reduced, and you will not be, although you face some kind of challenges, but you can able to overcome the challenges with your wisdom and knowledge. Okay, so that is what it represents. It all depends upon the planetary alignment in your birth chart. We cannot just come into a conclusion just by watching Saturn and Moon. There are other 7 planets also governs your birth chart. So entire your birth chart has to be thoroughly analyzed to give the final conclusion, and so that we can able to, so all these things will be definitely discussed, of course, in the consultation. And what I want to tell you is we have to take the D1 chart, D9 chart and D10 chart into the consideration before giving the final prediction. I can see most of the astrologers were simply checking the D1 chart, that is Lagna chart, and they don't even go into the degrees. You have to analyze carefully with regards to the degrees of the planets and where exactly the nakshatras of the planets are placed. All these things has to be thoroughly analyzed, and then only we can able to give the final conclusion. And with regards to this aspect, of course, it's a malefic aspect, and Saturn and Moon conjunction creates a malefic results pertaining to the house it is sitting. And of course 7th house talks about relationships, so that creates some kind of conflicts and challenges with regards to maintaining the cordial relationships with the spouse, and those things has to be amicably resolved.